Bob Carr here, another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, Grayden Bird. Grayden, spring's been crazy. It's the first part of May right now. How's your life, sir?
It's been busy. Got most of our startups done. Mostly everybody's got their water turned on, heads are going, getting their lawns nice and green, getting their plants in, or they've been in and now they're getting watered, staying alive.
So
ready for the summer.
What big projects so far in 2024 you guys been working on or completed?
Been a lot of lighting. We did one back in March. That was a big 57, 58 lighter job in Potomac. All LED, but it was a big property, a lot of work, a lot of our guys there, and it looks good.
I gotcha. How about drainage? Y'all been busy? Drainage?
Always.
Drainage is year round, isn't it?
Yeah. Anytime it rains, always gets people thinking, and people that know that they have an issue, push it off. Whether it's raining, not raining, they know they need to get that problem solved, so they always reach out, which it makes it easier to work when the yard's dry, but...
Gotcha. So that's always going to be happening in our metropolitan area, isn't it?
Always.
Since we're built on a swamp.
Pretty much, yeah.
We're always moving water one way or another, aren't we?
Yeah.
So how about, switching gears, how about the new LED color changing lamps that folks can change the colors with the app on their phone?
People love it, as long as it's working right, which usually just means we need to add an antenna here, boost the signal, so that way people can hit every light on their property from inside their home, so that they don't have to walk out to the one tree on the left side or the downlight that's up on the roof. If it wasn't connecting, usually just means it's time to add an antenna.
Okay, but what about the new that you can just drop in?
The bulbs themselves.
Yeah, the lamps themselves.
I like them a lot because we can put that into any fixture, as long as it's an
they have
MR16
a system
bulb.
we installed 20 years ago. They can drop in a couple of color changing lamps.
Our system, any existing system, as long as it fits an MR16 bulb, people can go ahead and get the color changing features that the new lights come with.
So that way they can change it out for their favorite holiday or sports team, professional, college, soccer, whatever it might be. They can change
we'll have
out.
4th of July coming up. That's always a big one. Everybody's festive with that, so it's always red, white, and blue.
That's a big holiday.
Getting ready for July, yep.
July will be here before you know it. What about upcoming graduation parties? They're going to be here in a couple weeks.
Yeah, I know. I graduated high school right before COVID. I was 2019. My middle brother graduated during the pandemic, but now my youngest brother and all these new kids that are graduating this summer, next summer, the pandemic's fully behind us. So those big graduation parties are back in full swing. And if those are being held at their house, people want new landscapes, either touch up the patio, add lights, get a whole new outdoor landscape,
New
kind of
decks,
hangout area.
whatever might be going on.
Yeah. Even for certain venues that host multiple graduation parties, a wedding, whatever it may be, they know that they need to offer the most up-to-date
because
lighting.
they want illumination for the looks, but they also want it for safety, for insurance reasons.
Yeah, lots of path lights everywhere, to and from the bathrooms,
Different
if it's
steps.
an outdoor venue.
Any kind of elevation change,
yeah.
They want that illuminated.
Plus, it's another feature that they can offer the customers, the graduating class of 2024 this year. Whatever their high school colors, they could change the lights to that if they opted into Bluetooth, or whatever college that they plan to go to, those colors, they can theme it, or just do the normal LED white lighting and accent the features of the property.
That's awesome information, Mr. Bird, as always. We appreciate you coming in the studio today.
Always.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week with another episode.